Hello farmer friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agrijivan Farming. This video is for those new pig farmers who want to start pig farming, but they do not have any information about pig farming. In this video, we will give information about a book. Complete information about pig farming is given in this book. If you want to get complete information about pig farming, then this book will give you complete information about pig farming. This book has two parts. The name of the first part is Pig Farming Training Course. It has a total of 12 chapters. The first part of the book is for those new pig farmers who want to start pig farming. And if you are already doing pig farming, but you want to get information about pig diseases, about making pig feed and which medicines should be given to the pig, so you must read this book. In the first part of the book, you will get complete information about how to start pig farming and how to run a pig farm successfully. You can watch 12 chapters of the first part of the book in this video. If we talk about the second part of the book, the information given in the second part of the book, its main objective is to reduce the feed cost on pig farms. The biggest expense in pig farming is feed cost. Apart from grain feed to pigs, we cannot raise pigs on green fodder like other animals because pigs do not ruminate like other animals. But we can raise pigs well by feeding them fruits and vegetables. However, if we try to raise pigs by feeding them solely fruits and vegetables, then the pig will not be able to gain weight fast. So if we use fruits and vegetables mixed with grain feed in balanced quantities, then it will not have any negative effect on the growth of the pig. By including fruits and vegetables in balanced quantities in pig feed, the pig will not only gain weight fast but will also reduce the feed cost on the farm. In this book, different feed formulas have been given for different fruits and vegetables. For example, if we want to include pumpkin in pig feed, then how much pumpkin should be included in the feed of creeper pigs and which grain should be replaced by pumpkin in the feed. In this way, what should be the feed formula with pumpkin for grower, finisher, breeding pig and lactating female pig? You can reduce the feed cost on your farm by using the information given in this book. If you want to buy this book, you can order this book from the link given in the description. So thank you farmer friends. How did you like our video? If you liked it, then like this video and share this video with all the farmer friends. Subscribe to our channel to get further information on pig farming.